Want to create a Likee account but don't know how? No worries! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Likee account easily. So let's start the video. Let's go. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet, then open the Likee app. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the sign up page. Click on Quick Sign Up to create your account instantly. Now enter your year of birth and create a username. Once done, tap Done to proceed. Likee may ask for extra details or suggest following accounts. If you don't want to do this now, simply tap Skip. That's it! Your Likee account is now ready to use. You can start exploring videos, customizing your profile, and connecting with others. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you have a Likee account ready to use. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, and for more helpful tips, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.